This is Kay, and guess what? Today I am by myself, and you know why I'm by myself? Because I'm pranking Kay. So, first things first, go subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment down below what your thoughts are about this video. But we gonna get right into this shit because she's gonna be home soon. So, I'm gonna be doing the cheating with the door lock prank. I'm gonna set the camera and ring light up in the room. Don't really know exactly how I'm gonna do it yet. I'm thinking I'm gonna like either be on the phone with somebody, I'm gonna turn on some phone or something and literally get her ass. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna see how she reacts and we're gonna get to this video. Period. I'm still cooking dinner for real. So I'm actually gonna hurry up and make sure everything's finished. Then I will be back. Stay tuned for more videos and let's get into it. Bye. Alright y'all, so I fucking set this up. So it's about to be time to get motherfucking to it. Okay. Let's get into this video. Took my hair out, so it looks like I'm actually fucking. I got some underwear in my drawer, and I'm gonna go throw them on the ground and make it look like I'm doing something. I gotta put this. I look enough. Y'all, so she just texted me and said that she's about to pull out. I'm getting scared because I don't know how she's gonna react. So we about to see. Alright, she coming. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on. So I gotta hurry up. Hold on. I'm sorry for my neighbors if you have to hear this. I think she's coming in, so I'm about to turn the music on and let's get into this motherfucking video. The camera is rolling, boo. You want to play pranks?
Okay.
Team K. Period.
You know what? I knew something wasn't right about them fucking underwear. I was like, what the fuck should even fucking underwear out here? Then I'm hearing some motherfucking noise. Okay. That's alright.
I'm coming with the bang.
Man, fuck this bullshit.
Coming with the bang.
She know better. She knew better. Cause if it was a person up under here, they would be getting rocked, you hear me? Straight up.
Say Team K.
Team Q. Cause I'm coming back on her ass. I'm coming back. She won't play. She won't play. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Do you think that's funny?
Could be funny.
After a long day of work? Yeah. That's not funny.
That's hilarious. I love you.
You play too much. That's alright. Team Key. Coming
No.
back. Coming
No.
back next week. We got a banger. Cause I've already got one for her ass. Let's go. Let's go.
Whatever. As y'all can see, I got her mad ass, okay? And I wasn't even really doing anything. I was just sitting here. So if y'all want to do this prank, look that shit up on motherfucking.
She wasn't doing no motherfucking. You can hear noises. I heard moaning. I heard moaning.
That was on Anthony.
That wasn't you.
No. Color. Sex sound.
Let me see that.
That's right.
Who the fuck is that?
Sex sound. I pressed this one. Orgasm compilation. And that shit was doing cray cray.
Not going cray cray. This?
Orgasm.
Forced orgasm? I hate it.
I
Why
didn't
the
press
F
the-
do that?
I didn't press the front orgasm. I pressed the orgasm. Boom. You mad?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
I mean, it ain't real, but I'm coming back.
Oh.
Because I was mad as shit. I was like,
Oh.
I had to recollect
Get over
myself. Because I was about to beat you and whoever the fuck ass. Fucked all this was. All up in my house. No, you don't get over this.
Get over it.
Damn, you hurt my shit. You don't get a kiss after that. Hurt.
In here.